Hi, I'm Jessica Taylor. Welcome to video number 4 in the Creative Christmas Card Fold series. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun yet super easy card. All of the paper sizes will be listed below to make it easy for you to recreate this fun fold. I'm going to start by making 2 score lines on my 2 real red pieces that are going to be the base for this card. So the first largest piece is 5.5 inches by 7 inches, and we're going to score this at 4 1/4, so that our finished size of our card is going to be 4 1/4 by 5.5, just like the cards I normally make. Then we're going to take this smaller 3 inch by 3.5 inch, so it's just a little bit longer this way, and I'm going to score this at 1/2 inch, which I find easier to measure on this side. Once I've done the scoring, I like to use my bone folder to just give my score lines a nice crease. And then we're ready to tape things together. I've cut this piece so that it fits just on the inside of my card. This is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches, and I'm going to use this to tuck this little card in behind so that I'm hiding this seam. If you don't want to have a full piece inside like this, you can put your seam on the outside and it'll just show on the back. No big deal. So to start, I'm going to add tape on the back of this white piece that will go on the inside, as well as on the inside of this little flap on the small card piece. Then I'll just center this top to bottom and fold that flap and push it down so it's taped to the back. Then I'll add a little more tape on top of that and tape that to the inside of my bigger card base. So there is the base of the fun fold. I've cut a piece of decorative tree paper that is 2.5 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And I'll just tape that right onto the front. And then I've stamped a snowman and colored him in on a piece of Whisper white cardstock that's 2.5 by 2.5 inches. And I'm going to tape that to a piece of shaded spruce that is 2 5/8 inches by 2 5/8 inches to just give it a nice little frame. And then I'll put a little more tape on the back of there, and we'll add that to the little front card on our fun fold card. And there you go, an easy peasy creative card fold. I hope you'll give this one a try. Here's a sneak peek at next week's creative card fold.